In this video, I'm going to show you how to link cells in different Google Sheets. Let's launch the Google Chrome web browser. In the top right corner, click on the grid icon. In the drop-down menu, click on Sheets. Open the sheet that has your base data. Take a new window and go to Sheets again. Now open the document where you want to link your other sheet or base data. This is my base data. Suppose I want to link this total cost cell to this report sheet. For this, we are going to use a formula. Add an equal sign. Type import range and open parentheses. Now we have to provide the URL link for our base data. Go to your base data sheet, click on the address bar, and copy the address from here. Go back to the second sheet, add a quotation mark, and paste the URL link. Add a quotation mark and a comma. Add another quotation mark. Now we have to provide the cell address. Go to the first workbook and double-click on the sheet name. Copy the sheet name and go back to the second sheet. Paste the sheet name and add an exclamation mark. Now you have to provide the cell address or cell range. Go to the first sheet and select your desired cell. At the top left of the workbook, you can see the cell address. Select and copy the cell address from here and paste it into the second sheet. Add another quotation mark, close the parentheses, and click Enter. If you're doing this for the first time, the sheet will ask you for your permission. As I have done this before, it doesn't ask for permission from me anymore. Simply allow the permission. Here you can see that we have linked our sheets successfully. Now, even if you change something in the base data, the linked data will sync automatically. If you find the formula hard, it will be given in the description. Now, if you want to link multiple cells, you just have to enter the cell range in place of the cell address. Select another cell and add an equal sign. Repeat the formula up to the cell address point. Add the sheet name just like before. This time, select the cell range you want and copy the cell address from the top left corner. Now paste the cell range, add a quotation mark, and close the parentheses. Here you can see that we have linked an entire cell range. Just like before, if I change something in the base data, the linked data changes accordingly.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.